I would definitely say that was successful. Very happy to hear that thing running. Smoking a little, but the guy said it was sitting for 5 years, so what can you expect? Get the safety cover put back on, that way I don't lose my fingers. And we are definitely getting close. Just buttoning up the last little things. Got this air filter bracket right here. Well, I don't have a new air filter for it, so I'm just going to bang it out on the lawnmower. Should be good enough for now. Not going to do anything major with it until I get a new one. Pop the chute back on. Pretty easy. And since I'm cheap, let's just see if we can use this to get the tires back on. Perfect. Well, let's test this thing out and see how it works. Well, it definitely works, but it is super sketchy. Yeah, it's probably operator error also. Once I get some more time on it, I'm sure I'll get better with it. Well, I'd say that's a great score for 250. Thanks for watching.